to the air conditioners at the McKinney Allergy. There's the Holiday Inn over there. So let's go on down here. Take a look at these. This is a Carrier. Go for reciprocating compressor. Okay. The serial number is 2601E13150. This running. Disconnect boxes. We're going to try and make this quick so we don't get yelled at. Good. Reciprocating compressor. Disconnect box. Here's my name. Cold and sweaty. Data sheet is faded off. Let's sit here. Here's the data sheet. All these have the same data sheet, so I'm not going to read all of them. Here on the refrigerant. Read that one just shut off. Okay, let's take a look at the compressor. There's the compressor, that's the reciprocating. Once this thing finally decides that it wants to shut off, it's got a reciprocating compressor. And then those aren't running, those are just Carriers. Let's go see if we can find any more over here. Here's the dumpster for those of you who even care. Alright. This one's running. There's another Carrier. Disconnect box. We're probably going to get yelled at, but alright, that's all of them. So that is about it. You know what? There's one more up here. Let's see. Why don't we go ahead and take a quick look at it? Go up this ramp and we'll get it. Looks like it's a Carrier as well. Over and down.